these were the old ones. They did not lift the hood up. They didn't keep it up, actually. And then these are the ones that I purchased on Amazon. I think they were 20 bucks, $10. Dealership would probably charge you $50 to replace it, but super easy. Pump is up at the top towards the hood, and the bar is towards the bottom. This is the old one. You could see that there's just a ball that goes inside here, and there's two metal pieces, which is this band right there. So all you need to do is get yourself a little screwdriver and lift that up, and you could see that it kind of releases that little clamp right there. And of course I should have done this before, but there's a little ball right there. You just place it on there, loosen up this clamp, it'll slip right in, and then just put the clamp back on. Just give it a tug to make sure it's in there. It really couldn't be any easier.